kung naalala mo, ang context ulit ng chapter 5 to chapter 6 is adopted in the family of God. So now that you were adopted, you are a new person. Yung ating new nature is that we are no longer the person of the past, but we are the person who belongs to the family of Jesus or the family of God. So importante yun eh. Kaya sa pang-araw-araw nating buhay, iniisip natin, anak ako ng Diyos, I should reflect that that identity. Hindi na yung dati kong identity, kaya hindi na ako si Bong. Ako ay anak ng Diyos, di ba? Because of Jesus Christ. Kaya I'm a new nature. Kaya yung fruit, naalala mo yung fruit of the Spirit? Yung fruit, hindi naman agad bibiglang lalabas ng love yan eh. Dahan-dahang lumalago yan. Love, joy, peace, patience. Kaya walang fruit na nagbunga kan, matured agad. Nag-grow yan as you walk in the Spirit. Kaya mapapansin mo, hindi naman agad automatic yun na makukuha mo yung, yung kultura ng pamilya, di ba? Nag-i-evolve din yan, lumalago ka rin dyan. Kasi marami tayong mga kasanayan in the past na lumalabas pa din. Kaya naman, yung new nature natin, it is a process.